Today's video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. Thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. As many of you guys may know now, Ana Luisa is a sustainable jewelry brand based in New York, and I have been working with Ana Luisa for quite some time, and I can ensure that Ana Luisa is such an amazing brand. Ana Luisa has a wide variety of different jewelry pieces and different styles to fit anyone's unique tastes, and they are currently having their biggest sale of the year with buy one get one 60% off their website. Their jewelry pieces are extremely high in quality but are available for a more affordable price. Most importantly, the jewelry pieces made by Ana Luisa is sustainable and eco-friendly. All of the pieces are made with recycled materials and are carbon neutral. They make their products in limited batches to reduce any waste, and Ana Luisa offers reduced packaging at checkout for those who would like an even more sustainable option. If sustainability is something you value, I would highly recommend Ana Luisa as a place to find some jewelry pieces for this holiday season, either for yourself or your friends and family. They also have great pieces for stacking that look amazing together. One of my favorite daily stacking pieces are the Joy necklace and the Michelle bracelet. Another favorite stacking piece are the Haley ring and Jill bracelet together. I would really recommend trying out these stacking combinations and creating your own. Despite the long wear, the quality of the pieces have never changed from my personal experience, which is one of the main reasons why I love Ana Luisa so much. I was sent 3 new pieces this month, which includes the henna necklace, henna lace silver earrings, and these dainty star earrings named Shing. When I saw the henna necklace, I fell in love with how beautiful the rose on the pearl was. And the henna lace silver earrings are in collaboration with creator Henna Lee and are also available in gold. This pair is a great new addition to my collection. The Shing earrings are also a great daily pair. Don't forget to check out the link below to explore Ana Luisa's Black Friday sale with buy one get one 60% off their pieces, and you guys definitely do not want to miss out on this sale. Special thanks to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video.
Fly me to the sky above the clouds where all the stars are circling around with you. Take me to the ground and get me a pair of red roses in the garden with a full of blooming flowers. The earth and a joy to see you, a lovely boy, but all I will feel is the blue. taking over my daily. I wanna live so ordinarily. I wanted to forget about you. It's true, oh it's true. But I found myself tracing your footsteps. Oh I cannot help it. You have taken over my daily. I wanna live so ordinarily. Every little thing makes me think of you and want you every night. Oh, is this normal? Are these feelings real? Oh, I cannot help it. But don't you go away, 'cause then I have the one to think about every night. But don't you go away, 'cause then I have the one to think about every night. But don't you go away, 'cause then I have the one to think about every night. Doesn't matter where you are, everything will be okay very soon. You have taken over my daily. I wanna live so ordinarily. I wanted to forget about you. It's true, oh it's true. But I found myself tracing your footsteps. Oh I cannot help it. Yeah.